official day of Bayer direct seed corn harvest. But this is down south of Valpo is where we're at, south a little ways. Trying to keep each truck at around 50,000 pounds of corn that I'm putting on them to just keep them a little more legal on the roads. Probably get a little loud here for a minute. There we go. Okay. Fill out load ticket for each truck. I fill out what weight I put them at, what load number, what truck number, who's driving the truck, what company the truck is for, all that information, just to keep track of what has been happening so far this kind of season. I try and do each hopper on these trailers at about 25,000 pounds. Just keeps them nice and even. Forward a little more. There. Now I'll sit here for a minute and just let it dump until it gets to a certain point. Right about there, 44,000 pounds. I'll start calling forward again. Just keeps it nice and even all the way across. Right about now I'll shut it off, which will get me right at a little over 51,880 pounds. Oh man, thank you. 51. Okay. Our next trucker is going to be well, the next truck is going to be an RMT truck for, well, it's just hauling corn for Bayer while we're doing this. They contract out a lot of truckers for this. We got 2 case combines going. I'm in a John Deere 8345 RT tractor with a J&M grain cart. Conventionally, seed corn is harvested the whole ear, and the husk is everything is still on it, and it gets sent to a facility. They husk it and shell it and do that process at a facility instead of just with a normal combine. And they can only fit about a third of the grain in a wagon or in a trailer as we can, because we don't have that husk or that cob or any of that material on it. So space-wise, we can fit a lot more corn per semi, and efficiency-wise, it's going to the facility already shelled and ready to be dried instead of having to go through 2 extra processes at the facility. Also, there's not all the cob trash, like the husk, the cob, and all that extra material that has to get removed and sent somewhere. So that's more efficient, more cost effective. Is he rolling? I can't tell if our other combine is moving or if he's stopped. It's like that airplane effect where you're driving in the same direction as an airplane and it looks like it's just stationary in the sky. There we go, I got about 53,000 pounds in the cart now, so I'll run over, fill a truck. Oh yeah, it definitely looks like we'll be able to fit the last of this on these 2 trucks. That last one will definitely be a partial. Not a big deal though, it'll just be a light load going down. They get paid the same no matter what, so I don't think he'll mind at all. Okay. Well, I'm probably going to cut this for now and throw my music back on. Maybe I'll leave the camera rolling if there's not much to watch to August. I'll end up trying that out too.